Yeah, good day, guys. We'll be talking about the endocrine function of the pancreas. Endocrine function of the pancreas, and first of all, let's talk about the pancreas. All right. If we're talking about the endocrine function, let's just give an overview of the pancreas. So, the pancreas is a soft, lobulated, and elongated exocrine gland of the body. Okay, it is J-shaped. It lies in a C-shaped concavity of the duodenum. It has four parts. We have the head, we have the neck, we have the body, and the tail. Okay, so you can see that it is J-shaped. All right. This should be the head, this should be the body, weighty, and the tail. All right. So we'll be talking about the various cells of the pancreas and what they secrete. Okay, so we said that the tail contains what the islets of Langerhans. Okay, the pancreas has dual functions. That's the exocrine and the endocrine. Okay, so in this they said you should talk about the exocrine, endocrine function. Sorry, here it is elongated with endocrine and exocrine gland, right? It has dual function. Okay, so the exocrine part produce pancreatic digestive juice for the digestion of what carbohydrates, protein, and lipid. We talk extensively on this one in GIT. All right, that's all those digestion of carbohydrate, digestion of lipid, and everything. All right, we talk about that extensively there. And next we say that the endocrine part has what four principal cells, right? That's alpha cells secrete the glucagon, the beta cells secrete the insulin, the delta cells secrete the somatostatin, the P or the FF secrete what the pancreatic and polypeptides. So you should note that this somatostatin it inhibits cholecystokinin and gastrin. Okay, that's in GIT though, right? So if you want to watch the videos on GIT, the exocrine function of the pancreas, right? Just comment on this video and it may drop it. Okay. So this is a pancreas, this is a tail, this is the body, the head. Spoke about the cells, the alpha cells, beta cells, delta cells. Don't forget, bro. Right. So the glucagon that is secreted by the alpha cells, let's see. It's a polypeptide of what 29 amino acid. It is a single polypeptide chain. It is a hyperglycemic agent, all right? It will cause buildup of more glucose in the body. That's hyperglycemic. It transforms what hepatic glycogen, that's stored glucose. Stored glucose is glycogen. It transforms it back to glucose, right? Making so much glucose in the body. So what is the action on carbohydrates? All right, it stimulates glycogenolysis by activating glycogen phosphorylase and inactivating what glycogen synthase. All right, glycogenolysis is like buildup of glucose, right? So this is subserved by this enzyme, that's a glycogen phosphorylase, right? It will in turn inhibit the enzyme that will break down glucose, right, or cause the storage of glucose, right? So it inhibits glycolysis by inactivating what hexokinase and PFK. It stimulates what gluconeogenesis. Okay, so what is the action on protein? It increases what protein degradation, increase amino acid uptake by the liver, thereby providing carbon skeleton for gluconeogenesis. Okay, then how about the insulin produced by the beta cells? We say that it has what two polypeptide chains as A and B, and the two chains are connected by interchain disulfide bridges at the position A7 and B7. Okay, and A20 and B19. Okay, it contains what 51 amino acid residues. It lowers the blood glucose level, right? Cuts the usage of glucose, right? Using more glucose, right? So it will what lower the glucose level. So what is the action on action of insulin on carbohydrates? It stimulates the peripheral utilization of glucose. Okay, that's stimulates glycolysis, utilization of glucose. It stimulates what hepatic conversion of glucose to glycogen, storage of glucose. It inhibits glycogenolysis by activating what glycogen synthase and inhibiting glycogen phosphorylase. We spoke about this in glucagon, the opposite way, okay? So marry the two concepts together. It inhibits what gluconeogenesis, right? So this is just a summary of everything we are saying. Alpha cell glucagon raises blood glucose. Beta cell insulin lowers blood glucose. Delta cell somatostatin inhibit growth hormone and all those cholecystokinin and everything, right? So this is a good um a good image for you guys to summarize everything that we have spoken about in this lecture. What is the action of insulin on protein? It increases protein transport into cells. It increases protein synthesis. It decreases what protein breakdown. What is the action on fatty acid? It stimulates the storage of excess fuel as fat. It inhibits lipolysis by reducing CAMP. It activates cholesterol genesis. Insulin stimulates the action of what growth hormone. Okay, so guys, this is basically the endocrine function of pancreas, right? And we spoke extensively on glucagon and insulin. There are various actions on carbohydrate, protein, and lipids. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial, and bye for now.